So what is that, boss?
Itlog.
Itlog. For how many days?
3 days, 5 days.
Why? Every day? Or?
Because that's everyday itlog. Araw-araw itlog.
So guys, before yon, let's go. Samahan nyo ako ngayon guys for a day in my life with me as a OFW here in Dubai and a father of 1 daughter and only 1 wife for now. No joke, only 1. So before anything else guys, check muna natin yung bahay. So kunin ko na yung susi at ayun, punta tayo sa elevator. So guys, pupunta na akong trabaho and papakita ko sa iyo what I do here in Dubai. So time check, it's 7:22 morning guys. Sunduin muna namin yung babysitter ni baby. Kasi kami nagtatrabaho. Hindi ko pala na-flash yung elevator. Let's go. Una po natin si ate mag-aalaga kay baby. So wait lang po tayo kay madam at ihahatid natin. And as always, tayo po ang mag-aantay. Nandiyan na po si Madam President. Swerte natin guys, pagigising tayo maganda yung asawa natin. Ayan. Good morning, boss.
My hair is so much.
Ayan. So guys, dito na siya. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye.
Okay guys, bye-bye. Another day.
So, her shift start 8:30 and
you should go.
yeah, I'm also 8:30. So, move. Make it a bit faster, boss.
Yes, bye-bye. Ingat.
Bye-bye. Wala kiss.
Love you na.
Love you. Yan na guys. So, yan. So, mamaya guys, sunduin ulit natin. Trabaho naman ako. And I'll show you guys what I do. Anong ginagawa natin dito sa Dubai. Drive muna tayo guys ha. Wait lang. So yan guys. Nagpark ako dun sa park. Nagpark ako sa park. Gawa ng dito kasi sa Dubai guys, sa area ko wala na masyadong libreng parking. So yun. Dito na tayo sa libre lagi. Pasok na tayo guys. Pakita sa inyo kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. So guys, ito yung uy, dyan tayo naglalakad guys, Burj Khalifa. So City Walk area to guys. Malapit lang yan sa Burj Khalifa. Like 10 minutes I think. 10 minutes taxi pag inikot ka ng taxi. Malamig na dito guys talaga, kahit especially ganitong maaga. So pag December talaga, January guys, actually January for sure malamig. Yung December is like medyo mainit pa rin. Yung walking natin papunta ng parking is like 7 minutes parking hanggang sa workplace. Maganda naman weather, so okay lang maglakad, pero hindi siya advisable pag summer. Pero walang choice kasi doon lang libreng parking. Woo! By the way guys, ito pala yung workplace natin. Dito tayo sa City Walk Mall. Located sa City Walk. One of the tourist spot ng Dubai. Malamig. Dito na tayo guys. Fire exit na ako dumaan. Good morning guys. Kahit po yan. Kasi like 1 AM na yata kami natulog ni Macy's. So yun lang tayo. So guys, gagawa ko kayo ng kape. guys, ito lang yung nakayanan. So, kapag ano guys, libre kape dito. So, unlimited kape, ikaw na lang susuko. Okay, kain. Tanghalian na po. So, sa amin naman medyo swerte kasi libre yung pagkain. So, araw-araw manok. Hindi ka nalakad. Libre. So guys, yun. Kakatapos lang natin sa trabaho. Sunduin naman natin si Mrs. As always. Medyo ganda yung panahon. So guys, by the way nga pala si Mrs. Parehas kami ng company na pinagtatrabahuan. Pero yun, magkaibang branch lang. Pero dati, as in, magkatrabaho kami same location. So araw-araw 24/7 kaming magkasama. Goods din na nahiwalay ng branch kasi yun parang ano din, mamiss yung isa't isa. Uy. Anyway, tara at chismisan natin mamaya si Mrs. May chismis daw siya eh. Drive lang ako guys. Ito na naman po tayo at hintay na naman tayo kay Madam. At yun nga guys, talagang napakaganda ng panahon dito. Ano? Wait ka natin. Gawang pang kape. Dahil dyan, lungkot ka. Namumproblema na guys. You're sad. So bills kasi guys darating this month. Yeah, end of the month, car insurance, car, ayan, no.
Just now, like 13th. Before 13th of January.
So daming gastos this month. What to do?
I'm drowning.
But we still like by the way guys, she's good at she's good in budgeting.
Yeah.
So guys, yan. Pagdating sa trabaho, hi! Say hi! What is that by the way? Our super baby? Kulit. So guys, yan. Mag-grocery kami. Ay, hindi pala. Bigas lang bibili namin. What we will buy, love?
Only itlog and kanin.
No, kanin is cooked. But when it's not cooked, do you know what is the Tagalog word?
Pero rice?
Yeah.
No kanin.
No, we call it bigas.
Bigas?
Bigas. Bigas, yeah. So what is that, boss?
Itlog.
Itlog. For how many days?
3 days, 5 days.
Why, every day? Or?
Because that's everyday itlog. Araw-araw itlog.
And after that naman guys, nag-apologize si baby. She said sorry. So yun, hindi na namin pinagalitan and explain na lang namin. Ayun. So next time, careful na lang kami. Thank you for watching.